Meaning of magnetic tape.
Magnetic tape.
Magnetic tape.
Magnetic tape.
Magnetic tape. Magnetic tape is a type of storage medium that uses thin strips of plastic coated with a magnetizable recording material. It is used for the recording and storage of audio, video, and digital data. Magnetic tape was first introduced in the 1920s and became popular in the 1950s and 1960s for data storage and computer backup purposes. Today, magnetic tape is still used in some industries for long-term data storage and archival purposes due to its low cost, high capacity, and durability.